Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Kayla Rundle if you do not know me. Today, Nick, how do you say your last name?
Bijan.
I don't want to butcher it.
She always botches it, guys.
Yeah, seriously, if you guys don't know, that's how you pronounce it. I'm not going to say it again. Hey, and here's Zack. We literally just Ubered an hour. He's going to take us drifting. So, just want to do a quick intro, see what happens. Oh, this is, what's her name's car?
Blink the Camaro.
Blink the Camaro. If you don't know her Instagram, go check it out.
Yeah, I mean that's better.
It's crazy. We're in Florida. Stay tuned, guys. Peace. Bro, so we just got to the drifting spot. Look at the angle on this. I don't think he's even trying right now, and he's just stunting on all of us. This car's insane. This is gonna be round 2 in Zack's drift car. It's gonna be crazy. He said, I don't know if you guys heard, but he's making a video on his channel as well, so you'll have to check that out. He said he's gonna go way harder this time in the video. So, damn. I just took some photos, so I'm gonna put those up on the Instagram as well. Go check them out. Here's the boys. I think they're getting ready. We're trying to drift before the sun goes down. That person just did a burnout. I swear cars follow us everywhere.
They just dropped a dead deer.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Damn.
Because it's illegal right now.
They literally just dumped a dead deer right there. You see this body? Florida people. Everyone says Florida people are weird. I guess it's true. There's these kind of people, and there's those kind of people, and then there's those kind of people. Nicole's back there. Blink Camaro, go check her out. She's just like chilling with her puppy. It's so cute. Look at this interior. Don't suck. I love that. Why did you choose don't suck?
A reminder to myself.
Oh, okay.
Because sometimes I suck and hit curbs.
Oh, I see.
It's been a while.
Damn.
You're not supposed to do that, Zach.
So that means we're due for one.
Oh my god, look at the bug.
Up and real low?
Oh yeah. Let's get as much grip as I can.
That's 22. So
22?
yeah. Cheers!
Jeez. Sure.
23. Gotta get all the grip.
Goddamn.
All the grip.
We want speed, baby.
That's crazy.
Power, baby.
Here you go, man.
Big
Yes. Good.
Fire. I'm way too excited right now. Nick's getting the first ride along before me. He said, hey, stand on the edge because I'm about to send it. And I was like, all right. I came over here to the grass. I'm gonna get eaten up for bugs to watch this, but it's worth it, so you have to let it warm up. Hey, Zach, when are you gonna get your car cammed? I want that sucker to loop. Nick's probably freaking out right now. This is so exciting. If you guys ever get the chance to meet Zack and stuff, go hit him up. They're super great people, so amazing. So, God, the Camaro world's so fun. This is so fun. I'm just having like a full Camaro trip right now. Very lit, and everyone's like has different passions with the car. It's really cool to meet. Let's see. Here we go. I got smacked with rocks. So bad. God, that car looks so good rolling. It's insane.
You ready for that?
I'm ready. Bro, I got smacked with rocks.
My bad.
No, you're
That's
good.
The thing about this road.
That was a vibe though.
Yeah. Let's do it. You're up.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. How was it?
Gone. Oh, it's a little terrifying, not gonna lie.
Really?
Not gonna lie.
Damn.
Oh yeah.
Do you mind holding my glasses?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
All right,
Yes.
the Kayla Rundle
what's
coming
up
back.
Yes.
Round 2.
Seriously.
Here we go, boys and girls.
Oh, that was so mean. Oh That was absolutely insane. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm low-key dizzy. I don't know if it's age or what. I thought roller coasters pushed me out. I'm dizzy. Oh my goodness. I was like, I thought we
lost his glasses or his hat. I don't know where that went.
Wait, it's gone?
Yeah, he lost it in the video. We'll have
Are you
I'll
serious?
send you the clip so you can insert the
Yes,
clip because
please.
we're just chilling, drifting. He's trying to record and then.
Are you serious? It just flew out the window?
It's probably in the trunk, to be honest.
Thought we went off the road because when we were recording, Nick like went in the center of this area, and then Zach had to drift around him, so he literally had to go off into the grass and the dirt. And I was like in the car, I was like, and I was holding the dog. I'll show you guys the clips, but yeah, it was insane. It's in the trunk.
It was in the trunk.
I love how all of our cars just look like completely opposite.
Yeah.
And it's like all the same car. Oh, I didn't know your car was white like mine. I always forget.
Yep.
Dang.
Sure is.
Dang. Wild. So I was like, when are you gonna get cammed?
I need to really bad. The only reason I haven't, truthfully, is because, I mean, you guys see how I drive this car, and it takes it. So I feel like as soon as I open up the motor and put a cam in it, it's probably going to start giving me issues. So
Yeah.
I bang on rev limiter 24/7 with this car, and it has not given me one single issue. So
And it has enough power to get sideways
exactly,
and everything.
you know, so I can go third gear sideways at 70 miles an hour and no issues.
So
I
what
definitely want to chop like y'all, but
Yeah, it's a vibe.
it is. It really is.
So what do people have to do to make their car do this if they have a 5th gen?
You can drift it stock, truthfully. I did with my car for a year. Seat time over everything else. So you can talk to tons of people and they'll say, do this mod, do this mod, do that mod. Drive your car, feel it out. Eventually, when you get serious, yes, there's an angle kit. You guys can see it on driftdaddy.net, www.driftdaddy.net.
It just released merch!
That's right,
Go check
also
it out.
merch.
It's sick.
But if you have any questions about what you truly need to do to make this drift or get sideways, shoot me a message on Instagram. I always reply. Leave a comment on YouTube, Zack Calvin. And I'm happy to help you guys get sideways like we just did.
Yeah. Join the Drift Daddy squad.
That's right.
Right? If you want to see that angle.
Get some food.
Woo! Gosh, I'm like nauseous after that. I definitely need some food. Oh my gosh. That's insane. I want my Camaro to get that much angle, but man, I'd get myself in trouble.
What's
so
really crazy is that was just second gear for y'all.
Yeah,
if I took you third gear, that would probably up the speed like 30, 40 miles an hour sideways. And that is a whole different, how your hat flew off,
insane.
that was like the top second.
That's ridiculous.
That's the feeling amplified by like 5 times.
I was looking into this, is it the Lincoln filter thing?
Yeah. It's a
Did you
plug-and-play
install it?
system. Yep, I did everything myself.
I saw your video, but it didn't like say much about installation. I
Yeah.
want to do it, so.
Yeah, it's super simple. So
I just want the 2-step.
It's a plug-and-play system. You plug it into each coil bank, and then you have a couple different ways that you can wire it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's it. You literally
What?
just plug it into the coil bank. You don't have to wire anything. And then you can either wire it to where it's hooked up to your clutch pedal, so it'll only engage 2-step when you push your clutch in.
Yeah, I wanted a certain like RPM.
Yep.
Do you
Well,
hook it up with the box with the RPM?
Yeah, so the RPM is all done right here. You can also retard the timing for like boosted applications, but to change the RPM, it's literally just right there, times 1,000 or times 100. So when I
Dang.
drift, it's usually around 6,500 limiter. But for 2-step, you would probably want it, 4,000 RPM, 5,000, depending on what you want. Or if you want flames, you can set it to 3,000.
Yeah, that's the thing. I want to shoot flames, but then I also don't want to do that all the time and like cause issues and like overheat my muffler and blow that up.
Hell yeah.
I have the top mounted coilovers. I want the ones that are mounted underneath. I feel like these look so much less sus than mine.
It's a clean setup for sure.
You see, it is clean.
Very, very clean.
The wrap I feel like definitely looks better in person too. Like it just looks a full race car. And then his sunroof is literally covered by like giant decal. So you can't see anything. This man's sus.
So that's the Supreme Fire Extinguisher.
Oh, and he has a
That's at
ticket.
least like $2,500.
Oh my lord. Yeah, holy crap. He probably flew to LA to get that too.
Oh yeah.
Dang, full racing seats. He needs those. Look at that. Drift Camaro. That's sick. Love it. Nick runs out of my outro. All right, bye. Look at us getting back in the race car. Zach let us use his car. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I'm getting in the car real quick. That was insane. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so everybody go check out Zack Calvin's channel. I will link it down below in the description. You should know him by now if you guys have watched any of the rest of my channel, because yeah, drifted him with before. I flew all the way out here to do this again, so that was so fun, and Nick got to experience it. I think he was a little scared. So a little crazy.
A little scared. I kind of peed a little bit, honestly.
Yeah, seriously.
Sorry, guys.
Oh my god. Well, thank you guys again. Go check out my Instagram, TikTok, everything is Kayla Rundle. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.